In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace boost listing not showing. If you're trying to promote an item on Facebook Marketplace and the boost listing option isn't appearing, don't worry. There are several things you can check. And in many cases, the fix is pretty simple. First, open Facebook Marketplace and tap your profile icon. From there, go to your listings and find the item you want to promote. Make sure the listing is still active and actually eligible for boosting. If the item is inactive, expired, or not supported for promotion, the boost option may not appear at all. This is always the best place to start, because if the listing itself isn't eligible, the rest of the fixes won't help. Next, try refreshing the listing. If you're using the Facebook app, close it completely and reopen it. If you're on the website, refresh the page. Then check the listing again to see whether the boost listing button appears. Sometimes the feature is available, but the app or page hasn't updated properly. After that, check whether your Facebook app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Facebook, and install the latest update if one is available. An outdated app can cause missing features, display issues, or temporary glitches, so this is an important step. You should also review your Facebook account status. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and open Account Status. Look for any restrictions, warnings, or review issues that could prevent you from boosting listings. If your account has limitations, Facebook may hide certain advertising features until those issues are resolved. It's also a good idea to review your Meta ad account. Make sure your ad account is active, in good standing, and that your payment method is valid and up to date. Since boosting a listing uses Facebook's advertising system, any problem with billing or account status can stop the feature from showing. Next, verify that your listing follows Facebook's commerce policies and advertising standards. If your item includes restricted content or wording that goes against policy, you may need to edit or remove that content before the boost option becomes available. If the problem still isn't fixed, try logging in on another device or using another browser. This helps you figure out whether the issue is tied to your current app, browser, or device. You can also log out of your Facebook account, wait a few minutes, then log back in and check the listing again. This can refresh your session and clear temporary account-side issues. Finally, keep in mind that sometimes the boost listing feature may be temporarily unavailable due to technical problems or account review delays. If that's the case, wait a few hours and try again. If you go through these checks carefully, you should have a much better chance of getting the boost listing option to appear.